Welcome to my channel. This is unboxing and installation of a voice over IP phone. I'm going to start unboxing this. So voice over IP basically is a mechanism that works with internet and provides you an analog phone. So what's inside the box is an adapter, one of these power supplies. So that's that. And cable. Cut this open and use the wire to connect to my internet router. So let's undo the twist tie and also open up this router. So let's take a look to see what this router consists of. So this router consists of some status button in the front and the name of the company that made this to work with the phone. It's the manufacturer of this router is Linksys. And this is what the configuration basically of this is. You have phone 1, phone 2, so 2 lines. You have the Ethernet. So we connect this blue wire. Alright, I'm going to plug this into the blue one. And now I see internet. So I see all these lights on. I'm going to pick this up and see what happens. So there's a dial tone. So it is working. Alright, so that's all it was to get voice over IP phone to work. Voice over IP over the Ethernet and going over your router. And that's it. Subscribe for more.